Absolute certainty is the concept of something that exists in its purest form and to relate itself to the concept of nature and existence, usually by the nature of duality, where something can't exist by itself and many to exist. It usually starts with two to many, where in second degree of stability, either it contradicts to the first or similar to it, like positive to negative or just atoms to each other. There exists absolute stretched space-time which can be reached through black holes, and absolute time exists which can be reached by moving faster than speed of light, where both absolute time and space-time infinitely are stretched into an ideal vacuum. But when we take absolute time, which is absolute future to us, which we can never reach, as the baseline, we would be in past experiencing time constantly and uncertain time to be in present because we were never supposed to exist in present. Consciousness, coincidence or a ordered consequence. Butterfly effect says wings flapping of a butterfly can create a hurricane. Like one thing can affect something bigger, then bigger butterfly should have more chance of making a hurricane, but a whale with bigger size isn't capable of what you are. A single-cell creature that conscious just acts off its genetic code and survives with evolution and knowledge over time. We are here. Molecules need more stability somehow to DNA, which stores information, layers of more stability to different dimensionality to calmness, with emotions, hormones to functional complexity to a thought that's not real. Your imagination doesn't exist. Your imagination of loved one isn't real, but it separates you from the rest of the dead universe. You are the one who questions everything. You are the only one that can be you with your knowledge and complexion or whatever we are. The one that have a thought and can put the idea of a thought to others' things. One with free will that isn't attached to the notions of basic physics. You are not a coincidence, neither a consequence. You are different. Different from a rock. Consciousness like the potential to sequence actions or a thought. Concentrated self-awareness by senses letting you know that you could and you exist, while some others may inflict the philosophical layer of understanding, and people understand consciousness on different layers but all have general ideas and motives. Your instincts are like variables while your actions are constants. Purpose is the roots of equation, where here it can also be nothing. Consciousness strives to exist while greatly exhausted, and there can be layers of exhaustion like mentally exhaustion, old age. The core of consciousness stays the same while things around it change, and more context makes it look more complicated, but at the end it's just a source of separation that draws the line of alive and dead and tries to stay alive.